And they're your favorite kind.
Why are you so mean to me? Do I have to wear all this?
Yes.
Why?
Guys.
I want to dress like all the other cyclists.
Too bad.
Why? I feel stupid.
No, you don't.
I feel stupid.
Well, then, cycle faster.
Why are you being so mean to me?
Cycle faster.
I'm getting hot with this scarf on. Can I take it off?
No.
Can I have a break?
No.
Can I have some water?
No.
Can I have something to eat?
No.
When do I get a break?
As soon as this is over.
Can I take all this stuff off?
No.
Please?
No.
But I feel stupid.
So what?
Now what? Are we done yet?
Almost.